Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marita William Betsy for those who do not know me, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing my very first camera, and I really wanted to do the whole unboxing with you guys. The package literally just got here. I haven't touched it, haven't opened it, because I'm like, this is our camera, like it's not just my camera. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it looks like. I've been dreaming of this day for like literally forever, and it took me about 3 months to commit to a camera to buy. At first I wanted the DJI DJI Pocket 3, and then I wanted the Sony ZV-1F. I really don't know the names because I ended up not buying them. Actually, my first initial choice of camera was the Canon G7X Mark III or Mark II, but these cameras are literally sold out everywhere. You can't find it anymore because they've stopped. That's what I heard. They've stopped manufacturing them. But without wasting any time, let's unbox my dream camera. Look at it in all its glory. So this is my new baby and I love it so much already. So the reason why you should get this camera and not any other camera, well, in my opinion, and mind you, this is not even sponsored or anything like that, it is that this camera, number one, is affordable. That's my opinion, because when I was doing my research, every other camera that I found that was as good as this one was super duper expensive. And number two, it is a lightweight. Literally you can carry it the whole day and you not feel any pressure on your arms or anything like that. Number three, it is an amazing video quality. Well, I can't really say that this is what I'm only saying this because this is what I've heard from other creators. I haven't changed any settings, and I'm going to show you how the video looks like without changing any settings, just the camera fresh out of the box. I'm going to show you, but I trust and I believe that it has an amazing video quality. And number four, the interchangeable lens. You can change this lens, but right now I don't want to tamper with anything. Like, I'm scared that I don't want to tamper with anything. But anyways, you can change this lens and get a better one that will take even more better quality. So yeah, it is a very good camera. Make sure you do buy it. But I do have to mention that it doesn't have an internal flash. It doesn't have a built-in flash, so definitely you need to get an external flash for you to get those crisp, nice pictures. And also the battery life is terrible, horrible. From what I've heard, it is terrible, horrible. So you might have to invest in another battery or a power bank, I don't know, but something that's going to help you so that you continue like with filming. And it is beginner friendly, like for your upcoming content creators, this will be the best camera to get. Mind you, this is my first camera and I was able to set it up. I haven't really set up like the actual quality pictures camera or those hectic things, but I was able to like maneuver around and like figure out what this is for, what that is for, and you know, so it is a very much beginner friendly. So the Sony camera comes with also this thing to protect the lens, and the lens is also interchangeable. You can change it into a different lens, which is quite handy. This is also like a noise cancellation thing, I don't know, for the wind, I don't know, noise cancel, that's what I know. And you can also flip it like so and see yourself, and it also rotates. It rotates. Hey, it rotates. Right now I want to show you guys a side-by-side video quality. I've been filming using my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you how the camera of the Sony is, and you guys will have to decide which one you like the best. So we have made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you're watching this video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. We are on the road to we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we're just a few subscribers away. So if you're watching this video, don't be a hater. It costs us, don't be a hater. It costs nothing to subscribe, so subscribe. I'm not threatening you. Lots of love. Subscribe. See you on the next one.